This two watch is one of the reasons that Rolex became a huge success. The reason? Know your customer, or to be precise, pun intended, cater to your niche. Let's dive in. On the right side, we have Rolex Milgauss reference 116400GV. And on the left side, we have GMT Master 2 in both variant, nicknamed Batman and Batgirl, reference 126710BLNR. Both of these watches are born from the need of a specific industry. One is from the scientific industry and the other is from the aviation industry. In 1953 is where I believe Rolex found the formula that elevates its brand to the world stage, starting from the Rolex Explorer, which in that year is worn by one of the first pairs of mountaineers to summit Everest, with a black dial with huge number 369 and a white hand, allowing the wearer to know the time with quick glance, and so the first Everest summit is recorded to be 11:30 a.m. Combining its function and elegance, the Rolex Explorer became one of the staples of Rolex. Not only that, internally it seems Rolex found confident on the right direction in innovating. The next year, the Submariner line is introduced, and till now is one of the most iconic watches in the world. Then come the Rolex Milgauss. The Milgauss, born as electrical engineering, gained importance. With that come a big problem, magnetism, which interfere with the watch movement, which in turn make the watch inaccurate. It is highly noticeable, especially for workers that work in power plants, nuclear power plants, or any other electrical engineering fields. Rolex founder Hans Wilsdorf and his technicians are somewhat familiar with anti-magnetic materials, and in 1954, the first prototype is born. But it is not until 1956 that Rolex released it commercially. To combat the magnetism, Rolex created a shield made with iron cobalt material that deflect the magnetic field, which then inserted directly below the dial. The main machinery or escapement is also made with paramagnetic material. And then to top it up all off, the inner case is encased with soft iron that makes sure it can withstand up to 1000 magnetic flux, hence the name Milgauss, taken from the French word mille means 1000 and Gauss, the unit of magnetic flux density. In 1988, the Milgauss is cut from the Rolex catalog and only available by request. Sadly, a few years after that, Rolex decided to discontinue the Milgauss line. Fortunately, in 2007, Milgauss made a comeback in bezel world with each launch of reference 116400GV, the watch you are looking at now. Its unique sunburst green bezel combined with iconic lightning orange second hand, Milgauss is back with popular demand. In recent years, its demand is skyrocketing due Rolex discontinued the Milgauss in 2023, making it one of the rare Rolex model. In the same year, 1953, Hans Wilsdorf, one of the early frequent flyer, is approached by Pan Am executive to create a practical wristwatch that could show both the local time and the home time of the pilot. Although the concept and the mechanism of the clock that can show multiple time at once has been around since 1931, but it is often bulky and in the form of pocket watch, which is not practical for a pilot. So with open arm, Hans Wilsdorf took the challenge. As the result, in 1955, the first GMT Master was born. With a third hand and a rotating bezel, the wearer can easily adjust its home time. Along the way, the GMT Master went through multiple upgrades and variation. The GMT Master 2 is the latest edition, with bezel in two colors, one in dark color and one in light color, to easily determine day or night without looking out the window. The reference 126710BLNR nicknamed Batman, with its color black and blue, is one of the most iconic line of GMT Master 2, which is the latest edition with the same reference, with Jubil bracelet is nicknamed Batgirl. In a world where time is important, Rolex stood above the rest by combining its function with elegance that keep the brand name alive from its founding in 1905 until today.